My wonderful ride experience on a two-wheeled carriage. A carriage pulled by a horse is a type of horse-drawn vehicle. These vehicles typically have 2 or 4 wheels and were used to carry passengers or a load. Here are some common types of horse-drawn carriages. Hackney coach, one of the oldest styles of carriage that was popular during the 17th century. They were used as private for-hire carriages that were licensed and regulated. A hackney coach is a 4-wheeled vehicle drawn by 2 horses, with the ability to hold 6 passengers. Stagecoach, one of the most recognizable types of carriage. Stagecoaches are 4-wheeled vehicles that are enclosed with windows and a roof. Stagecoaches can sit 6 people inside, with seating sometimes available on the roof as well. They were commonly used for public transportation through cities. Buggy. A buggy is a light carriage with a simple design and seating for 2 people, generally drawn by 1 or 2 horses. Also known as a roadster or a trap, it can have 2 or 4 wheels. Hansom cab. Named after Joseph Hansom, the Hansom cab was designed for both speed and safety, with a low center of gravity. A type of cabriolet, it replaced the hackney carriage as a vehicle for hire. Hansom cabs have a light design and are generally 2-wheeled with just 1 horse pulling the cab. Landau. The landau is a type of luxury carriage that is 4-wheeled with a roof that can be pulled down. The low shell design gave occupants the ability to show off their clothing, which made it a popular choice among aristocrats in England. These are just a few examples of the many types of horse-drawn carriages that have been used throughout history.
Ayaw, gas buwan din. Laro ka na, lakaw. Ano na kabayag kan? I'm sorry. Atong adra. Hello. Hindi mo ba nakikita ito? Kung magpaspas na, dali na maabot. Ay, pag hinahinay lang na. Oh, kuya kayo lang isakyan kabayo na Prada. Mudagan baka ng tanom. Atay pamalit din yung ano. Hindi naman magproblema. Ito kuya. Labira dia. O sa labira. Ya. Kung sa naka-break kabayo na ko. Yo. Marunong ano. Kita siya na kabayo, ano.
Oh.
Hoy! Pugod na kabayo. Oh, may hago dire sa rigod. Gagawa ba yan? Bye na.
Speed up, speed up.
Yapon, sir. Hoy!
Tagan mariner mo sa kapran.
Sa'yo po gani ha. Sa dugay ko, sir. Good.
Tingnan may taga diri. Ano sa yung lugar gani diri?
Port San Pedro. Malacanang Church lang. Bibot ni.
Lakan niya.
Congressman!
Kinsa kung
Congressman! May hapon yung Congressman.
Thank you for watching.
Congressman, ka... Kapitan.